Okay, question 16 Part B is talking about a proof that BD, so the line BD, this line here, BD, is half of AB. So why is this line here half of this one? Well, might seem obvious, but we've got to kind of write down why and prove why. And it also says hence. Now in maths problems, hence means you've just done something in the previous part that's going to help you. So we proved that these two triangles were congruent in the previous part of this question on the previous video. So we're going to use that idea. So what we could say is, well, we know that this is an equilateral triangle, so that AB, so I'm going to work up here. So AB, line AB, is equal to BC. Okay, because the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So we'll just say, because it's an equilateral triangle, we know that those two sides, that this one and BC, the whole side, the whole thing, so I'll put my line in the middle, those two sides are the same because it's an equilateral triangle. And we also know that because we proved that the two smaller triangles were congruent, that this side and this line here are the same as well. So we know that BD and DC are equal because of our congruence proof that we just did. They come from congruent triangles. So it must mean that if these two sides here are both the same, and they make the whole side, then it must be true that BD equals half of BC, the whole line. So BD, this bit here, BD is half of BC. But then we just said, didn't we, that AB and BC are the same. So I could also say that BD must also be equal to half of, well, BC is the same as AB, then I can just write AB instead of BC. And that's what we were hoping to show.